In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archived cards and lists in Trello. Navigating Trello effectively can make a world of difference in managing your tasks and projects. It's not uncommon to archive cards or lists when they're no longer needed, but sometimes you might need to revisit them. Whether you want to bring back valuable data or simply review your previous tasks, knowing how to locate and restore these items is essential. So, let's dive into the process. First, open your Trello board where you're looking to find those archived items. Once you're on your board, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here, you'll notice a three-dot icon on the toolbar. This is your starting point. Click on that icon and you'll see a menu slide into view, packed with various options. Within this menu, there's an option labeled Archived Items. Go ahead and click on that. This action will transport you to a view where all your archived cards are stored. You're now looking at a list that showcases every card you've archived in the past. Maybe you had a few tasks you completed ages ago, or possibly a couple of ideas you weren't ready to execute at the time. No matter the case, they're all housed here. The beauty of this section is the flexibility it provides. If you see a card that you feel could be of use again, perhaps a task you thought was finished but now needs a little more attention, click on the option to restore it. It will then reappear back on your Trello board, ready for you to continue your work. Alternatively, if you spot something you're sure you'll never need again, you can also choose to delete it permanently, cleaning up your archived items list even further. Now, if you're less interested in individual cards and more focused on entire lists that were archived, Trello has an easy way to switch views. Look to the top right side of your screen once again, and you'll notice a button that says Switch to Lists. Click that, and the interface changes to show your archived lists. It's similar to what you've just seen with cards. Here, you can also choose to restore a list back to your active board, or delete it if it's no longer necessary. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to access, review, and manage your archived cards and lists on Trello. This simple process can streamline your workflow by ensuring that you always have access to past work and can make the best decisions about what information you'd like to recover or discard. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing on Trello.